Green tea is a miraculous beverage that helps greatly in lowering cholesterol, weight loss, keeping of healthy teeth, and is an anti-cancer beverage. Chinese people have been drinking it since a long time ago because of its magical properties. They have been using it for the healing of headaches, but also for larger problems as preventing of cancer. A large number of health studies tells about the benefits of green tea. Next, we will list only the basic benefits that change your life significantly. Green tea for weight loss. It is commonly known that green tea has a thermogenic effect because of the high concentration of polyphenols which help in fat oxidation. In that way, the green tea increases the energy that speeds up the metabolism. In such manner is gained the final result. Replace your morning coffee, which contains a larger number of calories, with green tea and enjoy in a green tea diet. It's a great fat burner. Prevention of cancer. It has antioxidant properties that release the body of free radicals. Such radicals are the basic precursor for aging and cancer emergence. The polyphenols in the green tea are in constant search for unstable molecules of the oxygen which destroy the healthy cells in the organism. Green tea is the one that neutralizes them and in such manner prevents the emergence of different inflammations, heart conditions, and cancer. Healthy teeth. Fluoride in green tea is the main ingredient which destroys mouth bacteria. Those bacteria are the main reason for teeth spoiling and the emergence of caries. Coffee, on the other hand, yellows your teeth and leaves spots. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol is the main reason for heart conditions. It passes through the liver and the arteries and is deposited on their walls. The catechins in green tea help in reducing LDL cholesterol and prevent blood clotting. They improve the relation between the good and bad blood cholesterol and in such manner improve the health condition in general.